How to connect Printify to TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to connect your Printify account or Printify store with your TikTok Shop. Now, you might be wanting to use or to improve your TikTok Shop by involving or by adding a print-on-demand feature or print-on-demand products. So you can do that with Printify. Now, Printify is a really great platform to start a drop shipping or rather a print-on-demand product service. And over here, let's give you a quick tour first on how to use Printify. So you have here Printify, you have your dashboard. In our dashboard, this is where you will be able to manage and view your typical revenue or like your data, your information about your orders, your costs, and published products. To create products, simply select a catalog or select a specific product out of the catalog we have over here. We have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids clothing, there's food and health, there's accessories, and home living over here. So there's a lot of different types of products that you will be able to create a product or a design on. For example, we have hoodies over here. There's all types of hoodies over here, any type of hoodies, and simply select a hoodie design that you want. Each of them are fairly unique, and they have a mark over here on the top left indicating which products are best sellers, meaning which products are getting the most sales. And you could use that as an indicator that this product is really good, people are buying it, so you could probably try to sell that in TikTok Shop as well. And you could see like the basic information, like the type of clothing, the price, all of those things, colors, stuff like that. And over here, as you can see, you will be able to see more details if you open it, if you select it. And then you could also click on Start Designing to begin your process. You could also select specific suppliers if you want, and there's key features over here. Now, before I continue with this, let's show you how to connect it with your TikTok Shop. So basically, over here, Printify, you have this feature over here on the top of your dashboard. Simply click on the My New Store. And over here, you will be able to click on Manage My Stores over here. In the Manage My Stores, you will be able to see all the different stores that you have. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on our Add New Store over here. Under the Add New Store, you are able to connect Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Printify, Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Walmart, and PrestaShop with Printify. And we passed by TikTok over here, as you can see. So you will be able to connect with your TikTok shop over here, which is really great. But the only limitation for this one is currently it is only available in the United States. And it's a really great platform to start selling products from Printify because there's a lot of audience, there's a lot of users. You will be able to target a large creator community, have a lot of community to sell your products to. So simply click on TikTok over here as an option. And you're just going to create a store name over here. The store name, it matters a bit, but it doesn't really matter to the point that you need to have a sync with your TikTok Shop. You could just say TikTok Shop. This is for the sake of managing and not getting confused with all the different stores that you currently have inside of your Printify. So anyway, click on Connect and simply check these two boxes over here. You have to have these two options enabled or rather accomplished. You need to have your own TikTok Shop account and you need to have selected the seller shipping option on your TikTok Shop. So simply click on Connect and you will see this pop up over here, which will show us what we would have typically seen when we first logged into our TikTok Shop account or when we first registered our TikTok Shop account on our browser. And as you can see, simply select United States, click on Next, and you're basically just going to enter your personal information or your user information inside of this pop-up over here. Upon successfully logging in through that pop-up, you will be able to connect with your Printify, which you will be able to publish the products that you are going to design. So as an example, let's say I want to design this stuff case. Open this one. Simply click on Start Designing, and we will be redirected to another page where this is where you will be able to manage your design, create your design, manage information about that specific product that you have selected. And let's wait for it to show us our editing page over here. It's like an editor. We refresh it. And this is where you will be able to input the design. Now, while waiting for this, we could suggest, or I suggest that you utilize a platform like Canva to create your designs. Now, in Printify over here, their design page or their designer isn't really that great. You could use a lot of elements, you could put in a lot of elements, but the design that you will be able to get out of it is not that great. So I would recommend that you use Canva due to the fact that there is a lot of elements available for you to use inside of Canva that you could use to create really unique designs. Like in elements over here, you could put different graphics together, which would allow you to create really an instant great design. So for example, I'm just going to put together a very simple one over here, something like this. It is a very random design for now. Just to give you an example on how it works. So you can simply drag and drop different elements inside of your design, search for a specific type of element, maybe like a phone, and you will be able to put it into your design. And then you simply click on share, download, and you can download it as a PNG, JPEG, PDF, or whatever you prefer. And then you can simply put it in Printify. Now, it seems like Printify is having an issue right now exactly when we are making it or making this video. Let's try to open it. But if this doesn't work, we could move on and end the video. But anyway, basically Printify is a print-on-demand platform where you could design any design that you want. You could create any unique design that you want, and they will be able to print it on whatever product catalog that you choose. And you will be able to put those in your TikTok shop. So you could create a very personalized TikTok shop where you will be able to sell your designs that you have created yourselves on different types of products. And you could even get commissions. Like you could ask users to chat you, comment to what type of design they want, and you will be able to print those type of designs through Printify and send it to them through our TikTok shop over here. So we're basically using TikTok shop and use that as our front for our Printify print-on-demand process over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.